How to contact the host before booking on Airbnb. Are guests facing issues to contact the host before booking any kind of Airbnb? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. If you have questions before booking, open the Airbnb app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in into your account. After you get logged in, now just simply tap on the place you like. After search for it, tap on the listing to open the full details. A chat screen will appear where you can send your message. For example, if you like this homestay, just simply scroll down. After you scroll down, you will be able to view this option called Message the Host. You are looking to contact host, right? Just simply tap on Message Host. After you click on it, you can again see this option for Message Host. Tap on it. Over here, you need to write down a message. After you write it down, tap on Send Message. Once you send the message, you will find the conversation in your Message tab in the bottom menu. The host will reply there when they are available. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to contact the host before booking on Airbnb. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.